Welcome to the Comic Machine tutorial. This series we're going to talk about how to make a panel-to-panel comic. So basically what that means is taking your print-ready flat art, these are multi-panel pages, and adapting it to a rich media format for digital consumption. I mean, it's basically like the guided view technology, except it's not. We're doing things a little bit more different, and not the least of which is the addition of live text that will be on layers. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your screen and how to set up your browser. So you're going to be using Chrome on either Windows or a Mac. If you already have Chrome installed, the Chrome browser installed, I urge you to update it. If you go to About Google Chrome, right here it either says it's up to date, or if it's not, just click on the update and you should be able to get the latest version. So the Comic Machine platform is still in a beta stage, meaning we're still developing the software. So we don't want any of the software or any of the elements to be cached in your browser in case we have to update it. So it's a good practice to clear the browsing data. It's under the Chrome menu. And also, if you have a window that's open, you can see it's white and gray scheme. You want to open an incognito window. It's under File menu. And you see a dark scheme. So once you're in incognito window, go to thecomicmachine.com, and later on we might have to give you a distinct URL instead of logging in through the menu, just because because we're in beta stage. But for now, go to the create menu right here, and then enter your username and password. And you should open up on a gray background with a black menu bar. If you want to go see the published gallery, you can select in the browse window. You can see all comics that everybody's published as well as just yours. And then you go back to edit my comics, and these are the comics that are in your account that nobody else can see. So again, I want to reiterate that we're in a beta stage, and the users, such as yourself, are here to give us feedback and to try out the interface. So this is pretty well in a raw form. So there's a lot more features, a lot more refinement coming. So to create a comic, go to the Create menu and select Create Comic, or just hit the button on the side here, and then name it. Doesn't matter what it is, you can rename it later. So you open up on the motion editor, or what we call the creation machine, and it's basically an online motion editor with a text engine. So at this time we want to take a moment to optimize the screen. Right now you can see the canvas is oversized, and it's too big for some laptops. Later on, we'll probably have some responsive features that optimize the screen automatically. So first off, you want to make sure these two are unclicked. If you see a check mark, just unclick it. And you want to enter into full screen mode. On a Mac, that's Command Control F. I think it's F11 on Windows. So once you're in full screen mode, you probably want to optimize a bit more. Later on down the road, we're going to probably have some responsive features so that it optimizes by itself. But for now, you can use Chrome's zooming in and out to be able to see the entire canvas. It's under the View menu. So if you go to View menu and then scroll down to Zoom in or out, probably best to use the quick command. So on a Mac, it's Command plus or minus. As you can see, you can't see the entire canvas at once. So if I'm pressing the plus or minus, you want to get a little bit of bleed on either side, on all sides of the the canvas so that you, as you place oversized objects, you can see where to position it. So I think this if you can see all this, you're all set up. So just a quick look at the features of this page. All the menu items are at the top. This, I said, is the canvas. Down on the right side here, these are all the action layers. Your login, of course. And at the bottom, if you bring your cursor close to the bottom, you'll get the thumbnails. These are the different pages that you'll be working on.